Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today I am back in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much center strip. We're going to check out the Linq Hotel and Casino today. The Linq is a relatively small boutique-ish type hotel and casino here on the Las Vegas Strip, owned by Caesars Entertainment, and it's mostly known, or mainly known I should say, for its promenade, the Linq Promenade that it shares with the Flamingo, another Caesars property. My very first trip to Las Vegas as a vlogger, not my first trip to Vegas, but as a vlogger, was several years ago, and I was asking friends and family where they think I should make my home base as far as a vlogger is concerned. And my very best friend stayed at the Linq, and he said he had a great time, and the location, you just can't beat it. So I was getting ready to book the room, but the Palazzo, fortunately, came through with a much better deal. It was actually cheaper than the Linq, and it's obviously a much better hotel. It's an all-suite hotel. So I grabbed that, and I never actually ended up staying here at the Linq. But every time I walk through it, I can't help notice it really is a nice hotel for the price, and I think about my friend who had a great time here. Anyway, let's walk around this place and see what it's all about, shall we?
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video, the Orange Loop. Congratulations, Deborah. Good eye. Right now we're in Hash House A Go-Go, one of several locations here in Las Vegas, but I believe this is the only one on the Las Vegas Strip. They're also opening one up in the Tropicana in Atlantic City. Can't wait. Hold on tight. The Tropicana in Atlantic City is also getting a Purple Zebra daiquiri bar, so Caesars holding a pretty tight relationship with their bars and restaurants, and you don't even want to start with Gordon Ramsay. Now there's a relationship with Caesars if you want to talk about one.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Rooms at the Linq run the gamut from deluxe rooms to premium rooms all the way up to king suites. The decor is simple and the vibe is definitely minimalistic, if you ask me. The pool is kind of small, but then again, the whole hotel and casino is kind of small, isn't it? But the cool thing about it is it overlooks the Linq Promenade, so you can sip your daiquiri by the pool and check out what's going on in one of the busiest places on the Strip right below you. Another good thing about this pool and Linq in general is that it does have rooms on this level that have patios that go out right to the pool. The Linq has a Dunkin' for all you Dunkin' fans, and the Boss Cafe, which it says coming soon here, actually opened up just days after I did this video. Lots of these restaurants and lounges have access from not only inside the Linq like we see here, but also from outside by the Linq Promenade. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.